I know. All of us have been waiting for the predictive back gesture to be implemented in Android. But even with Android 14 stable, Google did not enable it out of the box. But we are going to enable it in this video. And of course, if you're wondering how I got this monochrome theme, well, we do have a detailed tutorial about that, which is linked in the description of this video. Now, before we enable the predictive back gesture, let me show you something. So if I go into the phone app and I try to go back, you will see that nothing happens and it just takes me back. Similarly, if I go into settings, let us say I go into notifications, I try to go back, nothing happens. I'm still on this very page. Now, this is going to change. First of all, let us go into settings. We are on the settings main page, go into about phone. Once you're on the About Phone page, tap on the build number 7 times. It will ask you your PIN if you have one set up, and of course, never ever use the PIN which I am using. But you will also get a toast notification that you are now a developer. Then we will go back and we will go into system. Once you're in system, you will see an option called developer options. This means that we have enabled developer options. So we will go back to the settings main page and we will tap on search settings. Herein, we are going to search for predictive. Now, once you type in the first few characters of the word predictive, you will see something called predictive back animations. We are going to select that, and if you notice, it is in developer options, which is why we had to enable developer options on our Pixel 7 running Android 14. Next thing, enable this toggle of predictive back animations. It is giving us a message that this setting enables system animations for predictive gesture animation. It requires per app, and there it is. So it is based on a per app basis. The application has to enable a property. We're going to select OK over here, and then we can go to our home screen. And now if I go to my phone application and I try to go back, bam, there it is. You see, I'm getting a preview of my home screen because that is from where I have launched the phone app. And if I complete this back gesture, I will be on my home screen. Similarly, let us go into settings, and now if I try to go back from here, there it is. You see that animation kicks in. It is telling me that I will land up on this page. So this here, my dear friends, is how you enable predictive back gesture on your Android devices running Android 14.